Now I'm going to give examples on each of them, enough examples for you to understand better. Now for the first one now, let's say if we are given 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 3. Now what do we do? To solve this now, we do 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 4 will give us 2 raised to power 6. Now you add the power 2 plus 4 to give you 6 times 2 raised to power 3. Now this will now further give you 2 raised to power 6 plus 3 will give you 9. So this is the first law of indices. That is all it states. So now I'll move on to the next example. Now for the second there we have, which is division. If we are given x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 2. Now we solve this by saying x raised to power 3 minus 2. Now when there is a division sign and we have two the same alphabet with different powers, we subtract the powers, right? So this will be x raised to power 3 minus 2, which will give us x. Okay, now take the third example. Now for the third law of indices we have there, anytime you are given any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. If you are given 99 raised to power 0 equal to 1, 100 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So this is one of the easiest laws of indices. Then the next law we have here is when you have a power outside another power. If you are given 2 raised to power 2 all into brackets raised to power 4. Now this is also equal to 2 raised to power 2 times 4, which will give you 2 raised to power 8. So if you take another example, 3 raised to power 3 all into brackets 2. This is equal to 3 raised to power 3 times 2, which will give us 6. Now, before you've done expansion, and if you do expansion in this case, you have, remember 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 2 means 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3. And if we use our first law states when you have the multiplication, you add both power. So you take one of the 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 will give you 3 raised to power 6. And if you can see, both answers are the same. Now for the next law we have there, it simply states that when there is a power under a division sign, it can be converted to a minus sign by adding a minus sign to when okay, for the next law we have, it states that when there is a power below the division sign, it can be converted from a fraction to a whole number by adding the minus sign to the power. For example, if we have 1 upon 21 raised to power 4, this can be equal to 1 upon